Thank you for choosing Rock Solid Floors. This video, along with the supplied instructions, will detail the process of coating your floor, giving you optimum appearance and years of durable use. Before you apply your coating, a proper surface is needed to assure adhesion. If you are coating concrete, we recommend Rock Solid Safe Etch Solution to open the pores of the concrete to accept the coating. Mix only one pouch at a time. Massage the pouch to break up any clumps you may feel in the liquid and blend them in to the rest of the coating. Do this to all pouches so that they are ready when you need them. Our patented pouches each contain two components that need to be combined. This is accomplished by placing the pouch on the ground and rolling it from the part A side towards the part B side like a tube of toothpaste. This will create pressure in the part A side and force the middle seal to burst, allowing the two components to mix together. Thoroughly mix the materials by shaking the pouch both up and down and back and forth, and squeezing the edges and corners towards the center of the pouch. At this point, the product is activated and must be applied within 1 hour. Pour the mixed material directly onto the floor, about a foot from the back corner wall, creating roughly 4 to 5 foot ribbons. Make sure the ribbon is at least 3 to 4 inches wide. Using a 3-inch paintbrush, cut the material in around the perimeter on half the area to be coated. Apply material in an even coat across the floor using an M and W pattern. This pattern will provide the most uniform results. Once a strip across the entire back wall has been coated, you may broadcast the Rock Solid Floors decorative chip by grabbing small pinches of chip between your index finger and thumb and throwing it up in the air over the wet coating. The coverage of the chip should be kept consistent throughout the floor. It will be important when broadcasting the chip to leave a wet edge that will not receive chip until the next section of coating is applied and rolled into the wet edge, allowing for seamless application. Once the next section has been rolled, you may broadcast chip again and continue this process throughout the floor. Repeat the process by pouring your new ribbon of product approximately 2 feet away from the previously coated area. Repeat the above steps for each additional pouch. Control joints are not meant to be coated with this material. Depending on temperature and humidity, the average cure time is 8 to 10 hours for foot traffic, 24 hours for heavy use. Drive-on times may vary.